magic begins. We take the old and weary and breathe life back in. Maxpress machines where precision is key. Reconditioning engines, setting them free. Engine reborn with power and grace. Maxpress leads, setting the pace. World's best machines, crafted with care. We are the leaders beyond compare. Ooh, 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 hey. Ooh, 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 ringed hair. From the pistons to the valves, every part's renewed. With every turn and grind, perfection pursued. Our machines stand